Hey, it's Robin from Ask Geezer. Ask Geezer is based on the idea is we wanted to bring social networking and crowdsource information into one in a Dear Abby type of format, but bringing it onto the internet. Um, the reason that we created it is because currently there's not a service available for young adults in between the ages of about 13 to 35 where they can go online to receive information on general topics or complex topics. Um, what we decided to do was is give them a platform where they can do that, as well as giving them the option to pay it forward. Um, what we would do is develop the traditional settings of a social networking environment as far as in creating active profiles and then adding where you're able to add friends and etc. that you would normally find on various social networking sites that are currently available. But ours is based on a knowledge-based system. What that means is user A would come and register on to AskGeezer by self-identifying themselves as an expert in relationships, gaming, sports, any or music or whatever it is that they're interested in. They would consider themselves an expert. Something that they would know a lot about. And user B would come online and also register in the same format, but as an example, suppose user A decides to post a question saying that they would like some cheat codes to a game, and they're not really sure how to go about beating this particular board or how to advance to the next level. And of course, you can go everywhere on the internet and try to see if you can find that information. But what Axe Geezer will offer you is the opportunity to interact together as far as on a friendship level with someone that you either know or you've never met ever. And as I said before, user A would come on and say that they need some answers on how to beat a code, and user B would be an expert in gaming, and they would select that particular question and answer that question by saying, okay, here's what you do, etc., etc., etc. You would do this step next, and so on and so forth. And what user A will in turn do is evaluate the usefulness of that information that they've received. Because when they submitted in the question into our database, which is AskGeezer's database, they have already selected how many responses they want to receive. They've already selected how many points they want to attach to it because AskGeezer is based on a point-based system in addition to the social networking and the crowdsource information together. Um, Again, going back, user A would have already selected how many points they're going to be attaching to this particular question based on how important it is to them, and user B would see how many points that they're able to collect for answering this particular question, as far as in helping them to make the decision on whether or not they want to answer the question or not. So they would want to give their best advice so that they can receive the maximum amount of points. Now, what user A would go back and do is again evaluate whether or not this information was valuable to them by somewhat grading user B on their answers. And those answers can be submitted via email format, it can be video format, audio format, however way that user A has selected that they want to receive their responses. And they would then attach the points to each person, user B, C, D, and so on and so forth, however many that they've selected that they want to receive those particular answers from. And what user B would do is once they've received their amount of points, they're going to then turn around and use it towards, as far as in as a, somewhat as a currency to win prizes, real prizes like Xboxes, iPads, music, um, CDs, um, iTunes gift cards, store retail gift cards, and etc. We're going to have a full catalog basically in our database, which will allow them to basically use their points from answering as many questions as they want as currency. And as I said before, it basically gives them the opportunity to communicate face to face.